Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best survival backpacks this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Mountaintop 55L, 70L plus 10L internal frame backpack. Our first Mountaintop survival backpack is their 55-liter internal frame backpack. That is every bit as practical as its sibling, and several orders of magnitude above it in the looks department. This is a beautiful looking survival backpack, but it's way more than just a pretty face. The Mountaintop 55-liter internal frame backpack, like most good survival packs, can be extended upward to create more storage if needed. There's also copious additional storage in the lid pocket, and several generously proportioned external pockets. That will keep everything from your compass to your iPad nice and dry. There's a hydration pocket that provides you the ability to have plenty of potable water on hand, as well as plenty of webbing on the exterior of this survival backpack to accommodate more water bottles. Moving to the pros. 55 liters of storage with additional space available in and under the cap pocket. Compression system allows you to adjust the profile of the pack to suit the load. Extremely comfortable waistband with lots of hip padding. Chest straps helps you keep the load stable no matter what you're going through. And for the cons. Waterproof rain fly not included. 2. Mountaintop 65 plus 10 internal frame survival backpack. The Mountaintop 65 plus 10 internal frame backpack leads off our list, because it's an excellent example of what a person should be looking for in a survival backpack. This is a 65-liter bag that's large enough to hold several days of food and all of your survival gear comfortably. Things that aren't practical to carry inside the pack, like a collapsible shovel, can be attached to the numerous MOLLE loops on the pack's exterior, and Mountaintop also includes an effective and easy-to-deploy rain cover. We love the way the Mountaintop 65-liter feels when you sling it. The load sits nice and high, and the optional waistband allows your hips to comfortably shoulder some of the load. The detachable side pockets provide plenty of storage for emergency gear like a headlamp, tactical flashlight, camping stove, fuel, compass and more. While the MOLLE webbing means anything that's impractical to carry inside can be easily attached to the exterior. Moving to the pros. Adjustable chest strap to keep your fully loaded pack from jostling around. Plenty of MOLLE webbing on the exterior for all types of emergency kit. Water-resistant 600D polyester throughout. Large top pocket for easy access to your most vital items. And for the cons. No complaints considering the price. It's all good. 3. Deuter Air Contact 65 plus 10 survival backpack. The Deuter Air Contact 65 looks like it's ready for the remotest Alaskan backcountry. It's got plenty of available volume, so you can get 3 or 4 days worth of dehydrated camping food, power banks, fuel, backup dry clothes, emergency blankets and anything else you need comfortably inside. This is a pack that's all about balance and comfort. It slides on like a new pair of socks and is still comfortable after 4 continuous days of navigating mountain passes. The Deuter Air Contact 65 plus 10 won't let you down when the going gets tough. Its large storage volume means you'll have plenty of food, water, and emergency supplies with you to survive until the cavalry arrives. The pack features a pivoting hilt that allows you to execute tough maneuvers without your position being compromised by the demands of the load. And the ripstop Duratex 330D fabric ensures your supplies won't be compromised by penetrating branches or other hazards. Moving to the pros. Composed of durable, tear-resistant Duratex 330D polyamide fabric. Plenty of MOLLE webbing to compensate for the lack of exterior pockets. Proprietary air contact system. Outstanding comfort and durability. And for the cons. It's heavier than some other backpacks in its class. The aforementioned lack of exterior pockets. 4. Titan Sports Fox 5200. We love the way the Titan Sports Fox 5200 internal frame backpack looks, and the way it feels when slung over the shoulders. It's comfortable, stable and easy on the upper body, and it keeps your load beautifully balanced even if you've filled it to the hilt. Considering the affordability of this backpack, that's saying a lot. The Titan 75 plus 10 has a classic mountaineering profile, and indeed you do well bringing this along, as you attempt to summit Shasta or Mount Blanc. There's an uber-discreet internal support system that's not a full frame but effectively mimics one. The hip strap is extremely comfortable and can be adjusted to different sized climbers, and the hydration pack makes sure you always have plenty of clean H2O at the ready. There's also plenty of external webbing and elasticized cords for attaching other items. Moving to the pros. 75 liters of storage space. Enough for nearly any survival situation. Thoughtfully engineered carrying system with plenty of pattern. Discrete aluminum framing system protects your supplies from getting crushed. Special external bladder for water. And for the cons. When fully loaded, it will be too heavy for many. 5. Mountaintop 70L plus 10L internal frame backpack. Here's another vertically oriented mountaineering backpack that doubles effectively as an all-purpose survival backpack. The Mountaintop internal frame backpack is large, durable, versatile and brimming with cords, straps and webbing on the outside. So you can take everything you need to survive 3 or more days in the wild or at the emergency shelter. This Mountaintop internal frame provides plenty of space for trekking in the Himalaya, or hunkering down at the storm shelter with the kids. 70 liters of capacity in the main compartment means you can take along things other packs might force you to leave behind, like candles, additional clothing, an inflatable mattress for the kids to sleep on and more. If you find yourself isolated in the wild, there's plenty of room for extra food, fuel for the camp stove and water, so you can hold out a good long time before you have to start worrying. Moving to the pros. A full 70 liters of top-loading storage capacity means you'll never be caught short. Load stays up on your shoulders where it belongs. Plenty of external cords, webbing and straps for the shovel, tent poles and more. Fully adjustable shoulder straps. And for the cons. Not really built for those over 6 feet tall, as the hip belt will ride up.